Uzbekistan, a country most people never seriously consider when thinking about moving abroad. No huge immigration hype, no glamorous social media image, and yet, quietly, Uzbekistan is changing. New infrastructure, growing tourism, business development, international investment, and slowly, foreigners are starting to pay attention. But here's the reality. Most people completely misunderstand countries like Uzbekistan because when people hear move abroad, they automatically imagine Europe, Gulf countries, Canada, or Australia. But the world is changing, and now some people are searching for lower competition, affordable living, business opportunities, and alternative international pathways. So the real question is, can Uzbekistan actually help you build a better future in 2026? Or is it simply another country people underestimate without understanding the full reality? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Uzbekistan work visa with jobs, salaries, cost of living, lifestyle, visa options, and the hidden truths most foreigners discover only after arrival. Because for some people, Uzbekistan becomes opportunity, but for others, it becomes culture shock and frustration. Now first, understand one important thing. Uzbekistan is changing faster than many people realize. Cities like Tashkent, Samarkand, and Bukhara are becoming increasingly modern and internationally connected. New roads, modern buildings, shopping centers, hotels, tourism infrastructure, business activity, and honestly, some foreigners become genuinely surprised after seeing the reality. But now comes the important truth. Modern development does not automatically mean easy life abroad. And honestly, this is where many migrants become shocked after arrival. Now let's talk about jobs. Most opportunities exist in sectors like construction, tourism, hospitality, education, logistics, manufacturing, textiles, business services, and trade-related industries. There are also growing opportunities connected to entrepreneurship, online business, freelancing, and regional trade markets. But honestly, for foreigners depending only on average local salaries, financial growth may still feel limited compared to richer countries. Average salaries may range around $300 to $1,500 per month, depending on qualifications, skills, language ability, and industry. Highly skilled professionals may earn more, but average workers may still face financial pressure. Now here's the important part many people ignore. Living costs remain much lower compared to major economies, and because of that, people with remote income, business income, or foreign currency earnings can sometimes live very comfortably here. Now let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around $200 to $800. Food and utilities may cost $200 to $500. Transportation is generally affordable. And honestly, compared to expensive Western countries, Uzbekistan can feel extremely affordable. But now comes the hidden reality social media rarely shows. Cheap living does not automatically mean easy living, because eventually real life begins. Language barriers, cultural adjustment, loneliness, financial uncertainty, career pressure, mental exhaustion, and emotional stress from being far away from family. And honestly, this becomes psychologically difficult for many migrants after the excitement disappears. Now let's talk about visas and stay options. Uzbekistan offers pathways connected to work visas, business activities, investment-related stays, company sponsorship, and temporary residence opportunities. But honestly, long-term success depends much more on your skills, your planning, your financial discipline, and realistic expectations. Now let's talk about language. Uzbek is the national language. Russian is also widely used in business and daily communication. English works mainly in younger and international environments. So language adjustment can become difficult for some foreigners. And honestly, language barriers become one of the biggest hidden struggles abroad. Now here's another important truth. Some people move to Uzbekistan not because they expect luxury life, but because they want lower expenses, business opportunities, slower lifestyle, affordable living, and strategic regional exposure. And honestly, for certain personalities, Uzbekistan can feel full of hidden potential, especially for people interested in business, logistics, tourism, regional trade, and entrepreneurship. But now here's the biggest mistake people make. They compare countries only through social media visuals. That is dangerous, because migration is not tourism. Living somewhere permanently feels completely different from visiting for a few days. And honestly, this reality surprises many people after arrival. Now, Uzbekistan is not for unrealistic migration fantasies, instant wealth, or luxury life without planning. Uzbekistan is more about strategic opportunities, affordability, business potential, and long-term realistic planning. And for the right person, that can still become life-changing. Because the truth is, some people spend years blindly chasing famous countries, while others quietly build smart opportunities in places most people completely ignore. So the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your skills, your income source, and your long-term strategy. Uzbekistan may not be the perfect country for everyone, but for the right person, it can become a surprisingly interesting international opportunity in 2026. And sometimes, the countries people overlook today become the places where others quietly build their future tomorrow. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.